Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, November 17th, 2020. Today is Try It Tuesday. Today, try to give someone a word of encouragement. It might be your friend, teacher, or even a parent. It may be just the boost that they needed. Now, please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having breakfast pizza with fruit and a drink, and for lunch it's chili crispito day with black beans and corn. Tomorrow's breakfast is pancake on a stick or a waffle, and for lunch it's chili with rice, yam, patties, and broccoli. Today's birthdays are Tristan Bates and Zaharia Holder. Happy birthday, guys! A couple of announcements. Teachers and students, please make sure you are wearing your mask. This is especially important when you are traveling in the hallways. Now, we have an important announcement, and I know that your teachers have spoken to you about this already, but it is the Stuff the Bus toy drive again. This is super exciting. We are collecting new and unwrapped toys for our Stuff the Bus toy drive. Please send in a new toy to the library by December 7th. Miss Smith will have a beautiful big Christmas tree, and we will put those brand new gifts under the Christmas tree and hopefully have lots and lots of toys to give away to little boys and girls in our area that need a Christmas present. Every child, so any student in the school that donates a toy will get to wear your favorite Christmas shirt and jeans on Friday, December 11th. So make sure that you bring your toy in by December 7th. Teachers will be making a list so they'll know who gets to wear their Christmas shirt and their jeans, and we are going to be all decked out for Christmas on Friday, December 11th. We have a few important dates coming up. Monday, November 30th through Friday, December 4th is our Ready Growth Monitoring. Tuesday, December 1st, our tutoring begins on Tuesdays and Thursdays. On Wednesday, December 2nd, we have PST during extended PE time. On Monday, December 7th, or possibly Tuesday, December 8th is going to be the pickup for the Stuff the Bus items. So get those toys in. Wednesday, December 9th, we have grade level meetings during extended PE. Friday, December 11th, remember we get to wear those Christmas shirts and jeans for bringing a toy. And every teacher's favorite day, Friday, December 18th, is Feel Good Friday. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.